Right here, babe.
Got everything?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go.
Oh, these are listed for $3 and hold on.
91 cents.
Oh, they are? They came up? Okay, good.
And then just the side
That's a
of that.
steal. I should have got more.
It's a deal.
It is a deal.
You gonna pay for this? Can we grab some of these too?
Oh, this one.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
See those puppies.
I know. All right, let's stop and get popcorn. Matt, they brought back the salt.
Popular demand.
Back by popular demand.
Yeah, man, I got your bag right here, bro. Okay.
He likes to press the button.
It's going. Just give it some time. That's all you need, brother. That's all you need right there. Go ahead. Come on, Moshe.
You got to get your salt, Matt.
Wait, Moshe. Go ahead.
All right, that's enough, baby. That's enough salt.
Let it go. Push, brother. I got you. Is it even coming out? All right, brother. There you go. Brother, you just had salt. Let's go. Thank you. Come on.
Best part shop is
That is the best part.
Stick close to the shopping cart. Go straight across. All right, buckle up right here. Coming home, man. We're gonna get Sam some good food.
The beautiful thing about living here is that it warms up during the day.
Yes. Yes. Even with the wind.
Yeah, even with the wind and, you know, it being so cold.
Always put the shopping cart back. Always put your shopping cart back.
Don't be that person.
Don't be that person.
Shalom, shalom. Welcome back to the City of Refuge Homestead. I am Sister Danielle. Brother Mattathias. We got you, brother. We got you.
brother. And I'm your brother, Servant Shiloh.
And Brother Uriah
Brother
back
Uriah.
there. Yeah, so we just stopped at Rural King. Actually, we went to Tractor Supply first.
Yes, got some propane.
We had to pick up some propane. And then we went to Rural King to get a heat lamp for our Sammy Sam to keep her warm. She is in labor right now.
and she's pregnant.
Yes. So we got a heat lamp. We picked up some pine shavings for our composting toilet and
Dog food.
some more dog food. And then what else did we get? Just a bunch of snacks. So
Healthy snack.
healthy snacks, yeah. And the kids got popcorn from Rural King. That's just something we do. If you have a Rural King near you, I don't know if they have popcorn at every single one, but
They should.
yeah, ours, they have a popcorn machine. So yep, that's it. So we're just heading back up the mountain
Right.
and we're gonna check on Sammy Sam And we'll catch you later. Shalom. All right, shalom, shalom, family. So we are back from the run in town. And I'm just checking on Sammy girl. She's pretty much just hanging out outside of the box. And she's chilling, so I don't know. We're keeping an eye on her, watching her closely, and then we'll just see what happens. Brother Shiloh is strapping down the propane tank to the tree. Let me show you guys. This is Sammy's little setup, if you haven't seen it already. Brother Shiloh hooked up the diesel heater to run underneath. This is how we have it set up right now.
Yeah, she's a very good novice.
And this is our Sammy girl. She's just getting some fresh air.
I wanted to ask you, because I noticed in the way that she does it, she doesn't really go into the movement so much. I mean, in my wrong thing seeing that, but I'm the coolest seeing.
It's my girl. So we're just keeping an eye on her. Just keeping an eye on her.
It's your brother, Servant Shiloh, coming at you from the City of Refuge, Homestead. You brothers and sisters, stay tuned, stay encouraged, stay righteous, and stay dangerous. Shalom.
That's the end of the video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the City of Refuge Homestead.